Good morning, Cleaning Hero Squad family. Today we're about to embark on one of the most challenging, deep cleaning missions we've ever faced. This is no ordinary cleanup. Oh no, it's a 48-hour free cleaning challenge. And trust me when I say, even the neighbors were too scared to step inside this house. Imagine that. This home has been neglected for years. No one has dared enter for as long as anyone can remember. The house has turned into an absolute disaster zone. But we, the Cleaning Hero Squad, have been called in to work some magic and transform this place. And the best part? We're doing it for free because that's what we do, helping out those in need. The homeowner is overwhelmed, completely paralyzed by the sheer volume of mess. And that's why we're here. No one deserves to live like this, and we're going to make sure they don't have to any longer. We're not just cleaning, we're giving them back a home, a place where they can breathe freely again. Imagine waking up every day and having to face this. It's no wonder the neighbors were too scared to even come in. But this is what the Cleaning Hero Squad does best. We tackle the tough jobs so that no one has to feel this overwhelmed in their own space. The horror of stepping into a room completely overtaken by clutter is indescribable. Every inch of space is consumed by piles of disorganized belongings, scattered clothes, broken furniture, and forgotten items, all tangled together in a chaotic mess. The floor is completely hidden beneath heaps of random objects, making it impossible to know where to even step. It feels like you're wading through a sea of debris, and with each step, you're unsure if you're stepping on a book, a shoe, or something even worse. Let's move to the kitchen, where things are in a complete state of chaos. Piles of unwashed dishes are stacked up so high, they're practically falling over. The counters? Oh, they're caked with layers upon layers of grime. And there's mold. Yes, we're talking mold growing in spots you didn't even think mold could grow. This kitchen hasn't seen a sponge or a mop in years. The air is thick with dust and a stale, musty smell that hits you instantly. Clutter is everywhere, choking the room, leaving no space to breathe. It's overwhelming, a suffocating mess of forgotten things rotting away. The room feels lost, swallowed by its own chaos, and the despair of where to even begin is crushing. If you love this transformation, hit subscribe and give us a thumbs up. Share your toughest cleaning story in the comments. Remember, no mess is too big, no space beyond saving. Subscribe to our channel for more amazing transformations. Thanks for watching Cleaning Hero Squad. Stay ready, more homes need rescuing.